Hey, Chuck here at Pals, back to the Chevrolet with the suicide doors. I'm trying to figure the air conditioning out on this gal. She's a pretty car, no Freon in the system, and we're not sure why it won't take a charge. Jimmy's thinking maybe we got a bad fitting or a different style fitting. So that's what we're going to look for. We're going to look to see if we need to change out the fitting on this to get it to take a charge, because the first step in the process of fixing this thing is going to be to charge it, make sure the compressor's good and the integrity of the lines and stuff are good. As you can see, it's quite a pretty car. When you walk around it, it's quite impressive. The dash is gorgeous. What a nice car, I tell you. So if you've got a classic car that needs air conditioning repaired, bring it to Pals. We hope to see you soon with your classic car.